Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove your birthday from Snapchat. If you are someone who wants to keep their birthday private or just doesn't like the idea of people getting notified about it, you have come to the right place. Let's get right into the video. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is open up the Snapchat app on your phone. Make sure you are logged in into your account. Once you are in, tap onto your profile in the top left corner. This will take you to your profile page. Now once you are on your profile page, tap the gear icon in the top right corner to go to your settings. Scroll down a bit until you see birthday under the My Account section. Tap onto it and this is where you will find your birthday details. There you go. You will see your birthday listed here. Now to remove your birthday from Snapchat, you will simply need to untick the option here and that's it. Your birthday is no longer visible on Snapchat and people won't get notified when it's your big day. And that's all for today's quick tips. If this helped you, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe and press the bell icon for more tech tips. If you have any question, drop them in the comment below and I would be happy to help. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.